Welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, you all. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. Please don't leave without subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you. Thank you for the support. Always. Thank you so much. So today we'll be preparing our good old peppered chicken. Especially that this is the festive season where lots and lots of proteins will be prepared. I mean, this recipe is just in time for the season. You can always substitute with whatever protein it is you have, but today we'll be making this peppered protein with our chicken. So let's get into it. Now, this is my chicken that has been properly washed, properly cleaned and washed. So all I am doing now is patting it dry with a paper towel to remove excess water. So that's exactly what I am doing. I'll just pat it dry until all the excess water has been drained off. Then I can begin. So in here I have my dried spices. There I have paprika, I have dried onion, garlic and ginger powder, I have dried parsley, I have curry, and I have some thyme. So I'll just mix all of these spices together and begin to mix it with the chicken. So I'll just drizzle a reasonable quantity on the chicken and begin to mix it together. Now I didn't add any seasoning, so I'll just crumble in one seasoning cube now and then begin to mix. I'll mix it until every part of the chicken is well coated with the mix. Then I'll set it aside. Now you notice I did not add salt. You can add salt if you want, but I used salt in washing the chicken, which is why I didn't want to add any more salt in the cooking process. But you can add whatever seasoning you want to. This is just the basics. Now while the mixing is going on, if you are watching this and you are not subscribed, why? Please just click on the subscribe button, please. Thank you. And you can always share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much as you do so. So now our chicken is well coated with dry rub. So I'll just set that aside. If you have some time, you can marinate in the refrigerator, but I didn't have that luxury. I'll just go ahead and begin to lay it on a baking tray that has been lined with parchment paper or baking sheet. I'll just line that and we'll send it to the oven to grill. Now you can decide to fry if that is what you prefer or that is what is available to you, but I just wanted to grill this today. You can fry if you want to. So when everything is lined up on the baking tray, I'll just take it to the oven and grill. 30 minutes later, this is what we have. You can see that it is properly grilled. It is well grilled. This is how I like it. I like it a bit, crispy, so that it can soak up the moisture from the pepper bees that we'll prepare. So now that it is well grilled, I'll just set it aside and continue with the preparation. I'll go ahead and begin to prepare the pepper bees. Over here I have some peppers, spring onions with the green part of it, red onion, some garlic and ginger. So all I'll do to this is roughly blend it. Yes, so when that is roughly blended, we'll begin to cook. So to a pan, I'll add in some oil, and when the oil heats up a bit, I'll add in some curry powder. You can use whatever spice mix you want. Then I'll go in with the blended peppers and begin to stir. I'll stir it occasionally so it doesn't burn until it is well fried. So I'll just add in the remaining dry rub that we used for the chicken before grilling. I'll just add that in, mix it, and continue to stir until this is well fried. Now that it is well fried, I'll add in 1 seasoning cube. So all I'm doing now is crumbling in 1 seasoning cube. Now this depends on taste bud. You can do even more, depends on your taste bud. You can add some salt if you want to, but for me, just 1 seasoning cube was okay. So I'll just stir that and allow it fry for a bit more before I begin to add in our chicken. I'll just drop that in gradually, one at a time. Now that I have dropped all the chicken into the pepper mix, I'll just proceed and begin to mix all that together. I'll mix that and make sure every part of the chicken gets coated with the pepper. So I'll just continue this until every part of the chicken is well coated with the pepper mix. Now that the chicken is well coated, I'll just cover and allow it steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'll come back and stir one final time, and this is ready. You can have it with some rice, fried rice, jollof rice, some pasta, or you can decide to have it on its own with a cold bottle of whatever drink it is you have, or even some good cold water for you. Enjoy this with friends and family. Please, if you like this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy the holidays. Bye bye.